Okay, hello, good morning again, Kak Nathan, Kak Danes, Kak Gracia, Kak Fatih, Kak Galih, Kak Kidung, Kak Naya, Kak Yosua, Kak Helen, Kak Hanif, Kak Sylvia, Kak Kinara, Kak Ian, Kak Lia, dan Kak Vio, Kak Tata, Kak Emily, and Kak Diandra. Okay. All right, so we meet again in our next Zoom class. And now we are going to learn mathematics, okay, especially how to find the volume and the surface area of 3D shapes. Okay. First of all, I will review about our last meeting. Okay, yes, welcome Kak Sekar. Okay. Right, I will review our last meeting. Okay, to find the volume of a 3D shape, you have to multiply the area of the base. Okay. And then multiply it by height. Okay. And this is for finding the volume of a prism. Can you mention some prisms that we have discussed last meeting? Can you mention some prisms that we have learned last meeting? You can just turn on your microphone. Okay, someone.
Rectangular prism.
Yes, rectangular prism, or we can say cuboid. Okay. What else? Rectangular prism or cuboid.
Triangular prism.
Yes, triangular prism. Yes, cube. That's right, cube. What else?
Cylinder.
Okay, how about cylinder? Yes, cylinder. But remember that cylinder is not a polyhedron, yeah? Okay, all right. About cylinder, the volume of the cylinder, of course, the area of the base is counted by multiplying the P and then the radius square, and then you multiply it by height, okay, to find the volume of a cylinder. Do you remember why cylinder is not considered as polyhedron? It appeared in your evaluation task.
Because they have curved face.
That's correct. Yes, because they have curved face. Yes, absolutely correct. Now, what if we want to find the volume of the other polyhedron, yeah, like pyramids? Of course, we have to multiply 1/3 times the area of the base. Okay. And then multiply it by height. Okay, this is how you find the volume of pyramids. Okay. Pyramid has something, a pointy edge. How do we call it? Do you remember?
Apex.
Yes, apex. That's right. Okay. Now how to find the volume of a cone? How to find the volume of a cone? Of course, it's just like when we are finding the volume of a cylinder, but we have to multiply it with 1/3. Okay. So friend, if I have a cube, the side is 2 meters. What is the volume?
8 meters.
Yes, 8 meter. 8 meter what?
Cube.
Yes, that's right. 8 meter cube. And what if we want to find the surface area? Basically, the surface area is the total of the area of the faces. All faces area. Okay, back to the cube. If we have a cube which side is 2 meters, what is the surface area? Can you count?
4.
4 times. How many faces does it have?
4.
Are you sure? Only 4?
Wait.
Wait,
See.
okay, imagine. Yes, there are 6 faces of a cube. So if there are 6 faces of a cube, and each side, or sorry, each face is 2 times 2 meter, so 4 meter square. So the surface area is 6 sides times 4 meter square. 6 times 4 equals?
$24.
Yes, 24 meter square. Okay. Yes, that's right. Okay. Yep. Now I'd like you to open your book. I'd like you to open your book on page 21. Okay, 21. We will review first. Okay. Oh, sorry. Let's start with number 1, page 20. Yeah. Okay. You have to find the surface areas of these solids. Okay, now let's take a look at number 1A. Okay, surface area of the cube. How many faces that a cube has? How many faces?
6.
Yes, 6. Okay, then multiplied by the area of 1 square. What is the area of 1 square then? If the side is 5 centimeter, the area of 1 face is?
5.
Are you sure? 5?
25.
Yes, 25 centimeter square. Why 25? Because the side is 5 centimeters, so the area is side times side, right? 5 times 5 equals 25. Okay, so 6 times 25 centimeter square equals?
150.
Yes, very good. 150 centimeter square. Okay, now let's move to page 21, exercise 1B. There is a cuboid, okay, and there are 6 sides, sorry, 6 faces, yeah, but the faces are not equal, all right? So we have 3 kinds of rectangles, and each kind of rectangles has 2 parts in the cuboid. Okay, so let's take a look at the first rectangle. So the surface area is, okay, 2 times the first rectangle, what is the dimension? 6 meters times?
3 meters.
Yes, 3 meters. Okay. Plus the second rectangle.
8 meters.
Second
times
rectangle.
3 meters.
2 times, to find the area of the rectangle, length times width. Okay,
8 times 3.
very good. 8 times 3. Okay, so 2 faces times 1 surface is 8 times 3. Plus 2 times the third rectangle. What is the dimension?
6, 5, 8.
Yes, 6 times 8. Okay. So let's count then. 2 times 18 equals 36, right? 2 times 48 equals, 2 times 24 equals 48. And 2 times 48 equals 96. So if we sum up, what is the result?
180.
Very good. 180 meter square. Very good. Okay, now let's move to 1C. What kind of 3D shape is that? What kind of 3D shape is that?
Rectangular prism.
Okay, triangular prism. Okay, because the base and the top is in the form of triangle. Okay, my question is, how many triangles are there in the triangular prism? 2. Yes, that's right. You did this. 2. Okay.
2.
Yes, 2 triangles. And then how many faces that join these 2 triangles?
3.
Yes, that's right. 3. And these 3 faces are all in the shape of rectangles. Okay. So let's start. Okay. We will find the base and the top first. So 2 times the area of the triangle, half, times 12 times 5. Okay, because base times height, right? And then plus the area of the first face in the form of rectangle, 12 meter times 8 meter, right? Plus the area of the third rectangle, 5 times 8 meters. Then again, the third face that join the 2 triangles is 13 times 8. Okay. Now we can sum up. We can just cross out 2.5. So 12 times 5 equals 60. Then 12 times 8 equals 96. And then 5 times 8 equals 40. And 13 times 8 equals 104 meters square. So what is the total? This one, 60 meters square? Yes, that's right. Wow, you did it very quickly. 300 meter square. Okay, up to this point, do you have any questions? Up to this point, only number 1 ABC. Do you have any questions first? Do you have any questions? If you have any questions, please raise your hands and just ask. Come on, come on. Is it clear enough? Is it clear enough? Are you sure? I'm glad if it is clear. I'm glad if it is clear. Okay, all right then. Now let's continue with, okay, friends, I'd like you to retype your presentation in the chat room, yeah? Write your name and your student's number before we continue with number 1D. Okay, please type your name and number. Okay, I will check. Because here we have 2 screens, so I think almost all of you are here. Okay. All right. I really appreciate your being here. Okay. All right. So can you spot, is there anyone of you who haven't been here from our class? We have Aisha here. Yes, Aisha. Alia is here. Leah is here. Number 4, Barry. Is Barry here? Barry, is Barry here? No, yeah. Okay, no. Tria is here. Christian is here. Number 6, number 7.
Itu siapa?
Sorry, I don't know. Maybe it's Barry. Maybe he is Barry. Dennis here. Number 8, Fatih, yeah. Fatih here. Vio here. Galih here. Gracia here. 11, Helen. Nathan. Okay. And then Keisha. Is Keisha here? Is Keisha here? Because Keisha sometimes has problem with the signal. Kirana, Sekar here, Diandra here. Okay, Hanif is already here. Karen and Emily is here. Tata, Sylvia, Joshua, Elno. Yes, okay. All right, so let's continue. Oh, yes, Sylvia, please. Okay, let's continue with number 1D. Okay, let's continue with number 1D. Okay, what 3D shape is that? What 3D shape is that? Number 1D, page 22.
Triangular prism.
Yes, triangular prism. Yeah, it's triangular prism. As you notice there that there are 2 faces of rectangles that have the same size. Okay, so now let's find the surface area. Okay, surface area of this triangular prism. The first one is the triangle. So there are 2 triangles, and how to find the surface area of the triangle is multiplying half with the base. The base is, remember, the base is 10. Yeah. Okay, and the height is 12. Okay. Next, we will find the equal rectangular shapes. Okay, so 2 times 10 meter times 13 meter. Okay, right. The next one is the rectangular, sorry, the rectangle. Okay, 10 Sorry, not rectangle, yeah. The square. 10 meters times 10 meters. Okay. Right, so here, as usual, we can cross out 2.5. So 10 times 12 equals 120. 2 times 130 equals 260 plus 100. So what is the total?
But 480
Yes.
meter.
Sorry? 480 meter square. Very good. Okay. All right. Now, friends, I'd like you to do exercise 1E, all right? Exercise 1E and exercise 2. Okay. So exercise 1E and exercise 2. To do exercise 1E, please pay attention. You have to multiply the area of the triangle with 4. Okay, why? Because there are 4 triangles that form this pyramid. Then you have to add the base, and the base is in the form of square. So 4 times the area of the triangle plus the area of the base. Okay, that is for number 1E. For number 2, you have to find the surface area of the closed cylinder. Remember, closed cylinder has 2 circles, yeah, on the top and the bottom. Okay, so find the area of the circle and then multiply by 2. And then, okay, for the cover, the curved area, you have to multiply the P with the diameter, okay, and then multiply by the height. Okay, all right. I will give you 5 minutes to do this task, and later on send the answer only. Okay, the answer only in the private chat. Okay, send the answer only in the private chat. Okay, it is on page 22 and 23. 22 exercise 1E. Okay, and 22 and 23 exercise 2. So page 22 exercise 1E and 23 number 2. Okay, write the answer only. Okay, right, privately. Okay, your 5 minutes starts now. Okay, for those who have just joined, page 22, exercise 1E and 23, number 2. Write the answers only. Okay, Keisha has submitted the answer. Okay, you still have 3.5 minutes. Okay, Sylvia has submitted the answer. Okay, Gracia has submitted the answer. You still have 3 minutes to go. Okay, Nathan already submitted the answer. Okay, Helen has submitted the answer. Okay, Fiorenza already submitted the answer. Yes, Sekar and Fatih. Okay, Danes already. Okay, Aisyah already. Aliana Yaka already. Okay, Kidung already. Hanif already finished. Okay, you still have 2 more minutes. You still have 2 more minutes. Okay, Leah already submitted the answer. I'm still waiting for Barry, Tria, Ian, Galih, Kinara, Diandra, Karen, Elno, Sylvia, Tata, and Joshua. Okay, Emily has done it. Very good. Okay, Galih has submitted the answer. Okay, Sylvia already. Okay, P times D is only the length of the rectangle. Yeah, to find the area of the rectangle, you have to multiply the length and the height. Okay, so P times D is only the length of the rectangle. Okay, you're welcome. Okay, you still have 1.5 minutes, friend. Still have 1.5 minutes. I'm still waiting for Barry, Tria, Ian, Kinara, Diandra, Karen, Elno, Tata, and Joshua. Are they here? Yes, they are here. Okay, Ian already submitted. Thank you, Ian. Okay, you still have exactly 1 minute. Okay, thank you, Diandra. You still have 1 minute. Okay, while waiting for the other friends' answer, okay, we will discuss about exercise 3 and 4, page 23. Okay, Kak Joshua has submitted the answer. Okay, thank you, Kak Joshua. Okay, so I will share screen again. Okay, Karen has submitted the answer already. Okay, thank you. Okay. Again, we have to remember that the surface area is all the faces area that form the 3D shape. Okay, now let's take a look at number 3. Okay, take a look at number 3, page 23. Okay, we find that the total surface area of the cube is 96 centimeter square. The question is, what is the area of one face of the cube? Okay, so this is the total surface area, and we know that there are 6 faces, and since it is a cube, so they have 6 equal faces. Okay, so 96 divided by 6 equals 16 centimeter square. Okay, then for number 4, okay, so the surface area of the cuboid. Okay, we know that there are 2 squares as its top and bottom. Okay, as its base and its top. And then we have 4 equal rectangles. Okay, so we have to find it by multiplying 2 times okay, 2 times 4 times 4. Okay. Okay, plus 4 sides of equal rectangles. 4 times 12 times 4. Okay, so we have 2 times 16 equals 32. And 4 times 12 times 4 equals 192 meters square. So the total is 224 meters square. Okay. Okay, so that's for exercises 3 and 4 of page 23. Okay, later on, for our next meeting, I will send you the video of the further practice so you can do the exercise and write it at home. Okay. All right, I will check. Okay, Karen already, Joshua already, and then, oh yes, of course. Of course. I'm only waiting for Bari, Tria, Kinara, Elno, and Tata. Then later, oh, Elno already done. Okay, thank you, Elno. Okay, and later on, I will give you the answer. Yeah. Okay, so I think, okay, Kinara is here. Thank you, Kinara. Okay, right. So I will wait for Barry, Tria, and Tata's answer. Okay, so friends, so far, do you have any questions? Okay, Tria has already submitted. Thank you, Tria. Do you have any questions so far? Okay, Tata has already submitted the answer. Thank you. Okay. Yes, Sylvia. Yes, Sylvia, you asked, you raised your hand. Sorry, is there any task? No. There aren't any. You're welcome. Okay. All right. So friends, I think this is the end of our meeting today. Okay, so thank you very much for being here. Okay, so see you again, and I will call you later at about 11. Yeah, please remind me in the group. Okay, in case I forgot to call you. Okay, right. So thank you very much for today, friends. Keep on practicing at home. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay safe. See you, friends. Goodbye.
Thank you, Miss.
You're welcome.